Deep inside every cell, a constant negotiation is taking place between growth, repair, and survival. Scientists studying longevity have discovered that aging is strongly influenced by a network of metabolic hormones and signaling pathways. Among the most important are insulin and IGF-1, mTOR, AMPK, and proteins known as sirtuins. These systems help cells decide when to grow, when to conserve energy, and when to repair damage. One of the most surprising discoveries came from an experiment in the 1990s. Biologist Cynthia Kenyon altered a single gene related to insulin signaling in tiny worms. The result was extraordinary. Their lifespan doubled. Later research revealed that similar pathways exist in flies, mice, and humans, suggesting that the biology influencing aging is deeply conserved across species. Another key regulator is mTOR, a pathway that responds to nutrients and pushes cells toward growth and protein production. When nutrients are abundant, mTOR remains active and cells focus on building and dividing. When its activity drops, the balance shifts toward repair and maintenance. Working alongside this system is AMPK, a cellular energy sensor that activates when energy levels fall. When AMPK turns on, cells become more efficient, mitochondrial function improves, and repair processes increase. These pathways are not isolated inside the laboratory. They respond directly to everyday behavior. Exercise, for example, strongly activates AMPK, improving metabolic resilience. Periods of reduced caloric intake or longer gaps between meals can reduce mTOR activity and stimulate cellular maintenance pathways. Even sleep, nutrient balance, and metabolic health influence how these signals operate inside tissues. Researchers are now exploring how these biological switches might be used in medicine. Drugs such as rapamycin, originally developed for transplant medicine, are being studied for their ability to moderate mTOR activity. Other research focuses on compounds that activate AMPK or influence sirtuins, attempting to mimic some of the cellular effects seen with exercise or metabolic stress. The goal is not simply to extend lifespan, but to improve healthspan, the years in which the body remains strong, cognitively sharp, and resistant to disease. Longevity science is still unfolding, but the picture becoming clearer is this. Aging is not driven by a single mechanism. It emerges from a dynamic balance of signals that respond to energy, environment, and behavior. Every meal, every movement, every metabolic shift sends information into this network, subtly influencing how cells maintain themselves across decades. Follow Smart Reels and share the discoveries you'd like to explore next. Curiosity is often where the next breakthrough begins.